All right, so I just picked up this sweet Timex Marlin Moon Phase watch from TJ Maxx for just 60 bucks. It's a $150 watch. You know, don't hate the player, hate the game. But it's very confusing how to set it up. So in this video, that's what I'm gonna show you guys. It is this model reference, by the way. So let's see how to set this sucker up. All right, so let's see how to set this guy up here, going from small to large. So if we pull out the crown here to 2 positions, you can adjust here the time. And by adjusting the time, you also, if you go over the midnight marker up here, you're going to see the date change as well, from Wednesday to Thursday, for example. So you should see it changing right there. Changes between, like 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. See it clicked over there? So that's how you set both the time itself and the day. Now you'll notice also that the seconds hand here, it also stops. So that's pretty cool. That it's got a hacking seconds on there. So that's how you do that. Now, if you want to do 2 other things, for example, if you pull it out to the first position, the crown, if you go clockwise, you can see the moon moving. You can adjust the moon. All right, and as far as the moon goes, all you have to do is look in the internet, and I found out that right now we're at the waning crescent. There's just a little bit of the moon left, like a little sliver, and so I'm going to set it just like that, and then we're good to go. If you go counterclockwise, you set the date. So you can just go like that, and you can set the date. Now, what you're supposed to do, though, is set the date to 1 before, and then pull it out as second to the second stop, and then adjust the time upwards until it changes both the day here and the date, because that's apparently better for the mechanics to do it that way. So yeah, that's what I would recommend doing there for setting those 2 things as well. And let's just see if we can get the date to turn over. Okay, midnight. And there we go. So the date and the day turned over. Now the funny thing is this button up here looks like a stopwatch button. This is actually for the month. So you can switch easily the month, just like so. That's pretty funny, isn't it? That they have this button here just for the month. But anyhow, that is how you set up the watch. And it is a bit laborious to set up the day of the week here. I admit that, but you should only have to do it when you first buy the watch or when you put a new battery in there. So overall, not too bad. Okay, so for example, it's 4:38 in the morning on a Tuesday, but in actuality, it's Wednesday. So I want to keep going to Wednesday, but I also have to adjust the date then first. So the date has jumped. So what I'm going to do is just pull it out the 1 stop and go counterclockwise to get the date to the 14th, because today is actually the 15th. And then so what we're going to do is turn over. Okay, here we're at 13th, 14th. I'm going to pull it out the rest of the way. Now it's 6 in the morning, 3 p.m., 9 p.m. Getting to be midnight, past my bedtime. Okay, it's turned halfway to Wednesday, 3 in the morning. Okay, 4 in the morning, it's made it all the way to Wednesday. So now we're on Wednesday, which is correct. We're on the 15th, which is correct. I have to set the time. So it is, I believe, 6 p.m. I'm going to just set it for 6 p.m. 3 p.m. Call it good there at 6. And now, though, look at that. Also, the month has jumped ahead to May. So let's just set that properly again to March, April. Okay, now April 15th, Wednesday. Now all I would have to do is take a look at the moon calendar and it would be all set. Now what I quite like about this watch, if I'm being honest with you, and let me just move this out of the way a little bit, are these 3 panda dials here. I find these so cool. Because, with just a little glance, holy cow, we're already at halfway point of the month. Where did April go? You're already at 25% of the year. It has passed by. Crazy. And you know what day of the week it is. So that's really cool. Just a quick glance, you got all the information. I like those complications. And also, this moon phase thing can be practical. I'm a hunter, for example, and if the deer are out all night on a completely moon-filled night, you're not going to see them during the daytime because they were feeding all night. So the moon complication is also pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit that like button down below, hit the helpful button, and until next time, wish you guys a good day.